Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about USDCHF. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you a complete multi-time frame top-down technical analysis. Then we will move to the order flow to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they're moving and shifting their orders. And then we will put together these two different types of analysis to try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, the first thing that we have to notice is that we had a massive impulse to the downside. This push to the downside was quite aggressive, fueled by strong institutional selling, as we will see in a few moments when we move to the COT data. But then what happened is that we started to see an inversion. In fact, it seems like the market is now ready to shift from the creation of monthly lower lows and lower highs to then creating monthly higher highs and higher lows. So we are essentially at an inversion area in which we could shift from a monthly bearish market to a monthly bullish market. So this is quite important. Let's keep it in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly perspective, what we can notice is that we have a market which at the moment is testing and rejecting to the upside a quite important structure level. In fact, we don't even have to look at the past. In fact, in the past, it is very clear that this zone was being rejected every single time the market approached this area. Immediately, it was met with strong buying pressure. But let's not even focus that much in the past. We can even look just at the recent price action, and we can already see how this is a very important zone. In fact, we can see how after this push to the downside, every time for many weeks in a row, the market was testing this zone and every single week getting rejected to the downside. Then what happened is that the market broke above that zone. We essentially had this massive impulse to the upside. At that point, what you expect is all this level that was previously acting as resistance to be turned support. So essentially what you expect after the break is a retest of the area for a rebalancing of the orders, but at that point, most institutional players are looking at this level as support. So what you expect here then is institutions to start loading up buys at this zone and to see more bullish price action being created, which in fact at the moment seems to be exactly what is happening. So let's keep all of this in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Now, just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. From a daily perspective, the situation is quite clear. We have this level here at the high, which is acting as resistance. This was the previous level of supply and resistance from which this massive push to the downside was created. So we had essentially daily lower lows and lower highs from this zone. So we had clearly a bearish market. Then what happened is that we shifted from daily lower lows and lower highs to now daily higher highs and higher lows. However, we are still below this original area of supply and resistance. So until the market will remain below this zone, it could easily be rejected lower. So until the market remains below this area, there really is nothing interesting. However, where things would get interesting is if, and we don't know if the market will do it, but if we get a break above this zone, that is where things get really interesting, because at that point we have the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames all pointing in the direction of more bullish price action. So if we get a break and retest, what would I expect? Well, before we dig deeper into that, first, let's move to the commitment of traders to see what institutions in the market are doing. Now, the data here is already reported against the USD. So if we see here that institutions are shorting CHF USD, they are longing USD CHF, of course, because as I just said, the CHF is already reported against the USD. So this data is for CHF USD. So if institutions are shorting CHF USD, obviously they are longing USD CHF. And what we can see here from the net positions is that is exactly what they're doing. We can see, in fact, net positions dropping from minus 25K to now minus 36K, shorts being increased from 33K up to 41K, longs being decreased from 10K to 5K. So institutions are clearly shorting CHF USD, so longing USD CHF. Let's keep that in mind and move back to the chart. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. Now back to the analysis. So if the market will break and retest this level, at that point, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily time frames combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best time frames for that are the intraday time frames, so for hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to a bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection to the upside away from this area for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.